an atheist?
Yes. Yes, I am.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Are you an atheist?
I am. Yeah, I'm an atheist.
Yes, I am.
Alex, do you believe in God's existence?
No, I do not.
How long have you been an atheist?
I would say probably since I was about 15 years old.
So you don't believe in the existence of God?
No, not really.
What happened when you were 15?
I started...
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat pagi teman-teman sekalian. Apa kabarnya semua? Mudah-mudahan semua dalam keadaan sehat walafiat selalu ya. Baik, alhamdulillah teman-teman sekalian. Hari ini saya akan mencoba mereaksi tentang sebuah video di mana ada beberapa orang ateis yang ditanya oleh seorang pemuda dan jawabannya Masya Allah teman-teman sekalian membuat kita terhiris hati kita ya. Betapa saudara-saudara kita di luar sana yang masih mempunyai keyakinan teman-teman sekalian bahwa mereka tidak percaya akan adanya Allah Subhanahu wa taala teman-teman sekalian. Dahulu teman-teman sekalian, Imam Abu Hanifah ini teman-teman sekalian pernah duduk di sebuah teras masjid di mana tempat beliau sering mengajar teman-teman sekalian. Kemudian pada saat itu datanglah orang ateis yang hendak bertanya kepada Imam Abu Hanifah teman-teman sekalian. Maka ketika mereka datang, Imam Abu Hanifah ini dahulu memberikan mereka pertanyaan teman-teman sekalian. Pertanyaan Imam Abu Hanifah ini begini teman-teman sekalian. Wahai orang ateis, katanya Imam Abu Hanifah, sebelum kalian bertanya padaku, izinkanlah saya bertanya tentang satu hal kepada kalian. Jika kalian mampu menjawab daripada pertanyaan saya, maka saya perkenankan kalian untuk melakukan apa saja kepada diri saya. Begitu kata daripada Imam Abu Hanifah teman-teman sekalian. Maka orang-orang ateis itu mengatakan teman-teman sekalian, kalau begitu silahkan wahai Abu Hanifah, silahkan tanyakan kepada kami itu. Maka Imam Abu Hanifah ini bertanya kepada mereka, bagaimana menurut kalian, kata Imam Abu Hanifah, jika ada seorang yang memberikan kabar kepada kalian bahwa tadi saya melihat sebuah kapal yang sangat besar di tengah lautan. Dia melihat sebuah kapal yang besar di tengah lautan yang berisi tentang berbagai macam penumpang, barang-barang penumpang dan penumpangnya. Akan tetapi kapal itu berada di tengah lautan yang sangat besar, dikelilingi oleh ombak, lautan yang sangat besar, dihantam kiri kanannya, dikelilingi juga oleh badai, menghempas daripada kapal itu. Akan tetapi kapal itu senantiasa berjalan dengan tegaknya, berjalan dengan simbangnya sampai pada tujuannya. Kalau menurut kalian, apakah mungkin kapal itu tidak ada nahkoda dan kaptennya? Maka orang ateis itu berkata, menjawab pertanyaan daripada Imam Abu Hanifah. Wahai Abu Hanifah, ini kan tidak mungkin. Itu tidak mampu diterima oleh akal. Yang jelaslah pasti punya nahkoda dan kaptennya. Maka Imam Abu Hanifah mengatakan, kalau yang demikian saja, kalau kapal saja, ini tidak mampu kalian cerna oleh akal. Lantas bagaimana dengan alam semesta? Bagaimana dengan bumi? Dengan hamparannya, gunung-gunung yang tinggi, penciptaan siang dan malam, apakah mungkin itu tidak ada penciptanya? Maka mendengar daripada jawaban Imam Abu Hanifah, mereka terdiam dan mengatakan, engkau benar wahai Imam, kami yang salah. Kami taubat dan mulai saat itu mereka menjadi muslim sejati teman-teman sekalian. Jadi begitu teman-teman sekalian. Orang-orang ateis ini harus diberikan kecerdasan pikiran. Karena apa? Karena mereka menuhankan pikiran mereka, tidak menuhankan firman-firman Allah. Jadi demikian teman-teman sekalian ya. Mudah-mudahan bermanfaat. Langsung saja kita saksikan ya video-video mereka yang menyatakan bahwa mereka tidak mampu percaya pada adanya Tuhan. Langsung kita saksikan dan jawaban mereka juga luar biasa ya. Langsung kita lihat.
When did you become an atheist?
Around age 12.
Believing in God makes no sense. To me, it's the dumbest thing. It's for people that can't accept the fact that they're going to die and rot in the ground like I'm going to do, and it gives them some relief from that thought, because it's not the nicest thought in the world.
Are you an atheist?
Yes. Yes, I am. Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Are you an atheist?
I am. Yeah, I'm an atheist.
Yes, I am.
Alex, do you believe in God's existence?
No, I do not.
How long have you been an atheist?
I would say probably since I was about 15 years old.
So you don't believe in the existence of God?
No, not really.
What happened when you were 15?
I started questioning things, and I really just started to think about the logic behind everything.
For the most part, we are not shown the evidence for there being a higher power. If we were, I almost guarantee that almost every atheist would immediately agree to there being a higher power.
Are you atheists?
Yes. Yes.
Why?
Well, I just haven't seen enough evidence, I suppose. I grew up in a Christian family, and just over the few years during high school and as I grew up, I just realized that there wasn't a lot of evidence to support that belief system.
Are you open to evidence?
I think I am open to evidence. It just would have to be extraordinarily compelling, like out of this world compelling.
If you could be given evidence, reasonable evidence, would you listen to it?
Yeah, I would.
You're someone who has no faith or no belief in a higher power or a creator, but if you were shown evidence, you would change your mind because you're open.
Absolutely.
Flick through the pages of the book I just put on your lap, look at the color pictures, and I'll ask you a question. Do you believe that book could happen by accident, that nothing produced the color pictures in the book, that red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet ink fell from the sky and formed itself into those beautiful pictures, and then black ink fell from the sky, or from nowhere, and formed itself into coherent words and sentences, capitals and periods and commas, making sense, page numbers fell from the sky, all in order, and then it bound itself and formed itself into a cover with artwork, and there we have a book. Obviously, intelligent design designed the book. Wouldn't that be correct?
Yeah.
You see where I'm going with this?
Yeah.
Tell me, what is DNA?
What is it? Deoxyribonucleic acid, and it's what makes up our bodies and our cells and everything that makes us who we are.
DNA is like our biological code, kind of like binary zeros and ones. Information about us, who we are, what makes us us, parts of us, how we look, how we're built, everything like that.
Your genes instructed your cells how to make your eyes and what color your eyes should be, and your hair, and your height, and your personality. Scientists call it the instruction book for life.
Basically.
Everything that you are or ever will be made of starts as a tiny book of instructions found in each and every cell. Every time your body wants to make something, it goes back to the instruction book, looks it up, and puts it together. The book of you would have 46 chapters, one for each chromosome. Each of our book's 46 chapters is between 48 and 250 million letters long. That's 3.2 billion letters total.
This is the secret language of DNA. This is the book of life.
Instruction book for life.
Yes.
Instruction book for life.
Yes.
DNA is made up of genes, and genes give instructions to the cells as to how your body should grow. Did you know that those instructions, the instruction book of your DNA, just your DNA, was laid out end for end, would go to the sun and back a number of times? That book of instructions is so comprehensive. DNA is the genetic information encoded in the cell of every living thing that instructs our cells how to grow and how to function. It's our genes that determine whether our skin will be dark or light, have brown or blue eyes, or red or green or yellow, have red hair, be brunette or blonde, be tall or not so tall, or the color of our feathers if we're a bird. Whether we're humans, fish, animals, insects, or plant life, the way our bodies look and operate has all been pre-written in the amazing book of our DNA. What do you think the mentality of someone who believes a book fell together without a bookmaker?
Well, it would be crazy.
Do you think a book could make itself?
No, I don't.
Of course not. No.
Utterly impossible.
Yes.
If anything can happen by accident.
I mean, from nothing. Couldn't happen, could it?
I don't think so.
It'd be impossible.
It would be like saying an explosion caused everything that makes a 747 airplane to all just come together by accident without some intelligent thought behind it.
That's a good point. Do you believe DNA happened by accident?
No, I think that it developed over the course of many, many millennia of evolution and development.
DNA exists in every living thing. Its origins don't matter. The fact that there is intelligent information tells us there must be an intelligent designer. Is this making you think?
It is, and I do think about it from time to time. It's just, yeah, it's complicated, definitely.
Well, DNA's complicated, but the point I'm trying to make is very simple. Book designer, or bookmaker, DNA, intelligent designer. God. Does that make sense?
Yes.
You're an atheist?
I am.
What would you think of the mentality of someone who thought a physical book could make itself?
I think that'd be silly. Of course it can't make itself.
What would you think of the mentality of someone who believed the instruction book for life, DNA, made itself?
I think it'd be silly as well. It would need investigation.
That's atheism.
Absolutely.
And what would you think of the intelligence of someone who believed the instruction book for life made itself?
Low intelligence level.
DNA happened by accident?
Probably not too smart.
DNA couldn't make itself. It's impossible. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Is this making you think?
Yes.
And what would you think of the person who believed that DNA, the instruction book for life, happened by accident? Because we're not just talking about human beings, we're talking about every form of life. Fleas, cats, dogs, elephants, cows, horses, trees, plants, everything has DNA, the instruction book for life, which makes the book in your hand just seem feeble compared to the infinite intelligence that must have put the instruction book for life together. Can you see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Do you believe DNA happened by accident?
I believe it could.
Explain it to me, how a program could make itself out of nothing on how to make a human eye, giraffe size, elephant size.